Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make the AI painting trend 2025 using CapCut, and it's super easy. No extra apps needed. Okay, let's get started. First, just open your CapCut and then import one photo like this. And then just set the ratio into 9:16, this one. And then adjust the size of the photo like this. And next, just duplicate the photo like this. And then just tap on the first photo and then go to effects and then AI effects, this one. And then here just choose the effect called C Dreams 4.0, this one. Just tap on it. And then just choose customize. Next, just change the prompt, this prompt. Before, I already prepared my prompt like this. You can just copy my prompt, but feel free to change the detail as you like. Next, I will just copy my prompt and then go back to CapCut, and then I will change the original prompt to my prompt. And then after that, just tap on generate. And okay, like this. And then you will get several results like this. Just pick the results that you like best. For example, I will choose this one and then just tap on apply like this. And then just make the AI photo clip as an overlay on top of your original photo. Just tap on overlay like this, and then just import your audio or music and match the clip length with your audio durations. Just tap on audio, and then in this tutorial I will extract audio from my video like this, and then I will adjust the durations, match the audio. Next, just tap on overlay clips and then go to mask and then to horizontal, and then rotate it 90 degrees like this, and then just hide the entire photo like this, and then now we were gonna animate it with keyframes. Just add the first keyframes at the beginning, and then keep the mask hidden, and then add another keyframes in the middle, for example in here, and then just drag the mask until the AI overlay fully covers the original photo like this. This will create a smooth reveal transition from your real photo to AI painting. And then finally your video will look like this. And okay, that's it. Your video should now look like this. A beautiful AI painting reveal, perfect for the 2025 AI trend. Okay, if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.